Welcome everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn Mojo functions in Mojo programming language. I think you already know about the function. And what is Mojo function? What is function? A function is a block of code that perform a task. I mean, we can write our own logic and own set of logic. We can build a function. In Mojo, function can be declared with either using fn keyword or def keyword. In Python, we are using def keyword for declaring a function. The fn function declaration info is strongly typed. We already know about compiled programming language. Mojo is a compiled programming language. Because of strongly typed, we will get memory safe behavior. While def function provide a Python style dynamic behavior. It is a dynamic typed programming language. In def function, the argument data type might gonna change while runtime. Okay, we are going to focus on fn functions only. We'll discuss fn versus def function difference in upcoming videos. We can create a function, fn function in Mojo programming language in three different way. One is function without arguments. Second one with function with argument and return type. Okay, and third one is function with arguments. We are not using a return type, we are going to print that data. First we will create a function without arguments, fn display. I'm not returning any values. I am not declaring any parameters or arguments. We will go through one by one. Okay. Here we don't have any arguments. Just I'm going to print something, print hello like that. Hello. We need to call this display function for executing the function display. Just print that. We would be able to see the output, right? Hello. So this way we can create a function, fn function without any arguments. Okay, we will check second one with an example. Function with arguments and return types. In Mojo function, arguments in fn function must be specified data type because it's strictly data type. To return a value from an fn function, we must declare the return type with an arrow at the end of the signature. I'll show you with an example. Just I'm going to create a fn add to number. I'm going to declare a parameter. Going to declare a parameter arguments in fn function x int comma y int integer data type. So we return value data type is int. Okay, just int x plus y. I'm adding two number x and y. I'm just returning a value. This add function returning integer value, so I'm going to cache that value. Okay, just I'm declaring a variable where z int. I'm calling that function add and passing the parameter 10 and 20. The function signature is matching now. Next, I'm going to print z value, print z. Just execute that. So we'll be able to see the output, right? Here you can see 10 and 20. That 10 plus 20 is 30. The value is 30 now. There you can see. We can create a function like this based on your convenience. We can change the data types, float or a string, or you can use your own logic and you can create your own function, custom function. And the third one is function with arguments. I'm using this function only. Just I'm removing that return type. Okay, I'm just removing that return type, function return type. Just I'm going to print that I'm removing this string. So I'm removing that return keyword. Just I'm going to print the value. So we are not returning any values, right? So just we have a parameter x as integer, y as integer. So I need to pass the parameter to the function. I need to pass the value to the function. I'm going to call add function. I'm passing 10 and 20 as xy value. I'm just going to execute this code to be able to see the output, right? 30. So like that, we can create like this also we can create a function without return type. These are the three ways we can create a function in Mojo using fn keyword.